Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Beacons AI, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an affiliate link to your Beacons AI link in bio? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to put an affiliate link in your link in bio anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business driving traffic to your Beacons AI link in bio, you know that sometimes you're going to offer affiliate products that are related to your content. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Beacons AI account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Beacons AI account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an affiliate link to a certain product in your link in bio, here on the top left, you're going to click link in bio and website. Once you do that, you're going to see another drop-down menu, and you want to click here, link in bio. Once you do that, you're going to see an image of your link in bio. You can see mine here to the right. And in order to add affiliate links, what you're going to do is add a block. However, if you have multiple pages on your link in bio like I do, up here at the top, you want to make sure that you're working in the correct page. So you can say I have Thai food as a page, Mexican food, and African food. So I'm going to go ahead and add it to my Thai food. Now, if I happen to be a Thai food creator, maybe I want to go ahead and add an Amazon affiliate link to my recipe list. All I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and click on add block. Once you click on add block, you want to look for this button here, links. If you don't see that for some reason, just go here into the search bar and just type in links. Once you do that, click here on links. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and add a link. Here you can go ahead and paste in your affiliate link. So this might be your Amazon affiliate link or some sort of other affiliate link. So I'll just put YouTube for now. And then you're going to click add. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and fill this out. So the title, let's say this is our Thai food recipe list. Okay, and then here we can fill this out. Here are all the ingredients. Okay, here you can go ahead and change the layout right here. So we can do classic, we can do carousel, we can do image. For me, I like classic. And here we can do settings. Here you can go ahead and change the title around, subtitle. For me, I'm going to go ahead and click here on links. Okay, and then here on this button right here, more options. You want to click there. And then you can go ahead and choose to open this in a new tab, or they can stay in the same tab. That's up to you. Generally, I'm going to go ahead and have it open in a new tab. Okay, let me go ahead and go back. Okay, so now you can see we've added an affiliate link here. So this way, anybody who ends up on my Beacons AI link in bio, they're going to be able to scroll through and they're going to see an affiliate link right here, and they can just click on the affiliate link. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an affiliate link into your Beacons AI link in bio, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.